Spring is finally starting here in New Hampshire. Greens are germinating under cover, chives are coming back to life, and garlic is popping out underneath the leaf mulch after a long cold winter. I grew on raised beds with irrigation systems, and I always like to check out products out there that make things easier. I stumbled upon the company Garden in Minutes. They make raised beds that you can put together without tools, and garden grids, which are irrigation systems perfect for square foot gardening. I was really interested in testing out this product and seeing how it compares to my existing system. I reached out to Garden Minutes and they sent me out a 4x8 garden grid for my raised bed to unbox and share with you. So let's get into it. This is Tim. Organic Backyard Gardening is focused on helping you grow more food with our tips and tricks. If you like gardening and want to grow more food, subscribe to this channel. Garden Minutes is a small, family-run company based in Florida. Their products are made in the United States. The garden grids are made out of LLDEP, linear low density polyethylene, which is a product that can be found used in water purification systems. I was impressed with the neat packaging, and the free organic seeds were a nice touch. The instructions were super easy, straightforward, and to the point. In the box, there were 4 sections that needed to be connected together, and they were clearly labeled. Connecting them together was really simple. Just take the barb fitting and push it into the piping with a little wiggle. After attaching all the pieces, there is one final step: the water inlet. This long piece fits into the final barb, and on the other end is the hose attachment with the debris screen. In this bed I had some staples measured out every foot, and these were helpful for me to attach strings to put my square foot guidelines. I'll no longer need these on this bed. Garden grid will not only act as a watering system, but the square foot grid lines. To test this out, I simply screwed it into the other end of my garden hose. You can attach multiple grids together with adapters Garden Minutes has on their website, or you could also get hose splitters. I turned the water on, and once all the piping filled up with water, I was really impressed with the steady stream that the garden grids provided. It was much more uniform than my existing drip emitters that are spaced out every 6 inches. I then turned down the water to see how uniform it would be at a lower pressure, and to my surprise, it let out a nice slow and steady drip across all of the piping. Also add a timer at the bed or at the main source. I was really impressed with this product and really looking forward to giving another update later in the growing season. If you're interested in learning more about Garden Minutes, check out their website. You can either just buy their garden grids, their raised beds with garden grids, or just their Cyprus raised beds. If you're looking to make a purchase, you can use my affiliate link down below. That'll help out the channel. And you can use the code I posted in the description below for a discount. If you need any help planning your garden, check out our Plan My Garden tool. enter your zip code, draw your garden layout, select what vegetables you want to grow and how much space you want to allocate to each. Check out, and then we'll send you an email with a PDF that has a visual schedule for each vegetable you selected, a getting started guide, a grow guide for each vegetable selected, and your garden layout updated with optimal plant placements for maximum yields. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.